Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. Chapter 3, your e-business system. So within e-business system, we have two topics. One is e-business system, another functional business system. Now we are going for discussing a functional business system. So functional business system is that business managers are moving from a tradition where they could avoid, delegate, or ignore decision about information technology to one where they cannot create a marketing, product, international organization, or financial plan that does not involve such decision. There is a many way to use information technology in business as their business activity to the perform business problems to be solved and business opportunity to be pursued. So functional business system include the information system also. So functional business system, a variety of types of information system that support the business function, that is all function, that is accounting, financing, marketing, operational management, human resource, and supply chain management, all within that function. So functional business system, that is we know it. So this, if we see this one, this picture taken from your that is reference book also, the functional business system. So it is the different function. Look here. For example, here the production operation function, that manufacture, resource planning, manufacturing execution system, and process control. That function include, and also that product should marketing for selling. That was customer relationship management, interact marketing, sales force automation, etc. or also the function, and that work done through the human. So human resource management need competition analysis, employees skill inventory, and also the personnel requirement forecasting, and also the retain the good people, good staff within the organization. That interrelated also in here accounting and financing. So here the finance, cash management, credit management, investment management, capital budgeting, financing forecast, and proper financing also, overall processing, inventory control, accounting receivable, accounts payable, payroll, general ledger, also that means collect the money for survive the organization, etc. within the functional area. So example of functional business information system here include manufacturing, resource planning, that production operation, marketing, that's the customer relationship management, competition analysis, skill, cash management, credit management, order processing, business function system, etc. So IT, that means information technology in business. As a business professional, it is also important that we have to specific understanding how information system affect particular business function or a particular industry that is directly related to our career objective. So here use of information technology in business in different way, for the product development, globalization, facilitation, payment transfer, efficient and effective store management, supply chain management, and communication management, competitive advantage over the competition, marketing management, and our business also need the support, IT management support, computer service support, technology projection support, product support, network administration, etc. Marketing system. The business function of a marketing is concerned with the planning, promotion, and sale of existing product in existing market. and the development of the new product and new market to better attract and service protection and etc. So the our main component of marketing information system MI is that internal record, marketing intelligence, marketing research, marketing decision support system. All activities help through the information technology. A marketing information system provide information technologies that support major component to the marketing function. And here the marketing information system work this way. The marketing information system provide information technology to support major component of the marketing function this way. Here if we see the interactive marketing, Salesforce automation, and market research and forecast, advertising promotion, product management, customer relationship management, sales management, overall strategy, policy, credit policy management, etc. marketing information system. And interactive marketing has been a choice. That means describe the customer focused marketing process. Customer focused marketing process that is based on the use of the internet, externet, establish two-way transaction between a business and its customer or potential customer. Share component of interactive marketing is that drive traffic, consequence, adverse order value, customer lifetime value. Here if we see the interactive marketing, here interpersonal relationship that helps to tell people to the good side, open the and customer trust communication, long-term effect and short-term effect. Long-term based on the organization goal, mission, vision, set the that means long-term and short-term for achieving the goal. And target marketing has become an important tools in developing advertising, promotion strategy, and companies' e-commerce initiative, and as well as traditional business value. So, target marketing is advertising and promotion management concept that include 5 target components. That 5 target component are community. Have to target is community. Then we have to target, that means content, community, content, context, demography, and online behavior. So if we see the community, companies can customize their web advertising message and promotion method to appeal to the people to specific communities. And also that target marketing, we can say that develop a clear picture of the target market. Business create a customer profile list of information about the target market, where we can be include that based on age, income level, occupation, attitude, lifestyle, etc. And if we see the content, this is the advertising such as electronic, billboard, banner, etc. That content addition to the company's website, and that content is this message aimed to target audience, etc. And context, advertising appeals to web-based that product or service, advertising to target only people who are already looking for that thing. And demographic, well, marketing efforts can be aimed out to specific types of classes of people. For example, student, unmarried, or married group can be 35 years is older, can be lower, can be couple, can be male, can be female, can be colleague, can be graduate, can be profession. This can be groupies. So online behavior, advertising and promotion efforts can be each visit site for individual. This category based on the variety of traffic techniques such as web, cookies, etc. This enable company to track personal online behavior as well website. And that's why if you go for Google and if you search something that is the Google memory, because within the Google they have the artificial intelligence, and what you are searching, with their mind they give you some another item, few things that you choose. They said that you may they suggest that site also you can visit. So if you go to any site, sometimes we can delete it, our history, but that history go to the Google server. So that's why we will not search anything that can be take our the false position also. So when we search something, we should carefully, very much carefully. So well said. That is here. This is the flow chart of online behavior for the customer, target customer, taking from the customer, below the customers. And Salesforce automation is the vital part. Computers and internet are providing the basis of Salesforce automation. Many companies at this moment, the Salesforce being knocked to the computer, web browser, sale content management software that connect to the marketing website, or the internet of the company. This not only increasing the personal productivity of salespeople, but also dramatically speed to the capture analysis of sales data from the field of marketing management and company headquarters within the head office of the organization. So sales for automation, we can say SFA, here website, and one client or customer, that means a register here, supervisor is watching that, management, tax management, stock management, customer management, monitoring also within the organization through the system, and after visiting that, marketing team seeing that, sales team also sell, and delivery as per the requirement. So therefore, many companies are viewing Salesforce automation as a way of gain strategic advantages in sales productivity and marketing responsiveness. And manufacturing system, we see manufacturing system, information system, manufacturing information system support the production operation function that include all activities concerned with the planning and control of the process producing goods or service. If you see that picture here, so the context model CM, and to go the business model and data model, database model, using that data common model and responsibility model, message flow, that flow chart of the manufacturing information system, and also the production operation function concerned with the management of the operational process and system of all business firm. An information system used for operation management and transaction processing supports all firm that must plan, monitor, and control inventories, purchase, flow of goods of service, etc. Computer integrated manufacturing, that means CIM. Computer integrated manufacturing. Manufacturing information system may of the web enable are used to support computer integrated manufacturing, and manufacturing information system support, and these the manufacturing resource planning system are one of the application of ERP system also, and computer integrated manufacturing, here enterprise resource planning, using that here manufacturing resource planning system. If we see first one, within that manufacturing resource planning system, production forecasting, production scheduling, material requisite planning, capacity planning, production cost control, quality control include manufacturing resource planning system. And if we see the manufacturing execution system, here include shop floor scheduling, floor control, machine control, robotic control, process control, and engineering system, computer-aided design, computer-aided engineering, computer-aided process planning, production simultaneous and prototyping. It should include computer-integrated manufacturing system with the help of enterprise resource planning. And CIM mean we see here computer-integrated manufacturing is overall concept of emphasize the objective of the computer-based system in manufacturing must be simplified or re-engineering, automated production process, integrated to all production support process. So basic logic thing is here, and the overall goal of CIMS to such manufacturing information system is to create flexibility manufacturing process that efficiently produce production at higher quality, and also flexible manufacturing system here, total quality management TQM we know it, and also manufacturing information system added, computer aided engineering CAE, computer aided design CAD, computer aided processing planning, and material requirement planning MRP, and manufacturing resource planning. Now computer aided manufacturing. Computer-aided manufacturing systems are those that automated the production process. If we see the example, that could be accomplish the monitoring of controlling production process in factory, where manufacturing execution system or by direct controlling of physical process, their process control exist, and machine tools, that means machine control used there, or machine with some human-like works capability robot here, connection with that. This way, for example, here concept of CAD development, design, develop, durability, simplification, etc., and final development is it. And manufacturing execution system, MES, or performance monitoring information system for factory floor operation. They monitor, track, and control the 5 essential components. Overview the production process. That 5 things are materials, equipment, personnel, instruction and specification, and production facility. So it's overview that here using manufacturing execution system. Here we are using hardware, software, hardware, processor speed, RAM, disk space, specification, test documents report, and also software application, software, operating software, and with the through the network here the workstation, laptop, computer, also the instruction for the equipment, and using that here the manufacturing execution system, and process control. Process control is the use of computer of control of an ongoing physical process. Process control, computer control physical process in petroleum refinery, cement plant, steel mill, chemical, food processing unit, etc. That means electric power plant also. So that process can be different way. Here, if you see the data process, number one, process monitor, how monitor it. Here the computer, here the process, and process variety at the monitoring here. If you see the B, here computer, control, communication, process variability is the open loop control, and number C, it is the closed loop process control. Here is the close, that means here computer, control, communication, data collection, process, and process variety, the closed loop process control, and B is the open loop, it is the open. So a process control computer system requires the use of specific sensitive sensing devices that measure physical phenomena such as temperature or pressure changing. This continuous physical measurement convert in the digital from analog to digital convert related to the computer and processing, and machine control, if you see, is the use of computer to control the action of machine. It is also popularly called the numerical control. So this is the called that was input device. is the part program data processing unit, control unit, monitor data driving from the system, machine tool using that feedback and display, etc. So here the computer-based control of machine tools, of manufacturing product, of all kind of typical numerical control application used by many factories in the world nowadays and throughout the world also. And human resource management, HRM function involve the recruitment, placement, evaluation, compensation, and development of the employees of an organization. And the goal of human resource management is the effective and efficient use of the human resource of a company. So if you see here, the function of human resource, acquisition of the employee or human resource, that means human resource planning, internal, external, employee specialization, have to develop them employee through the training, through the management development, through the career development, and motivated perform the evaluation, job evaluation, pay and benefit increase or rethink, and if bad behavior, then it all other things, they can disciplinary action can be taken, and maintain the safety hazard and employee relation, also good relation. So human resource information system, HRIS, human resource information system, are designed to planning to meet the personal need of business, development of the employees to their full potential, control of all personnel, that means policies and program. Originally business use computer-based, information system, product paycheck and payroll report, maintain personal record, analyze use personal business operation. So here the human resource information system cycle. Here how they start: people administration, compensation, training, development, performance evaluation, also recruit, personal, leave absence, etc., payroll, etc., management. Here many have the doing business that way: recruitment, selection, job placement, performance, employees, health, safety, security, etc., given the priority. So this is the human resource information system support to strategic, practical, and operational use of human resource. So first, there are three layers: strategic layer, practical layer, and operational layer. And there are three we have seen: staffing, training, development, compensation, administration. So through the operation, if you see the below side, that means lower side, operational system, here is staffing is recruiting, workforce planning, and scheduling. And through the training development, the operational side, skill assessment, performance evaluation. And the compensation administration, here payroll control, benefit administration. If we see the practical system or layer, here through the staffing, labor cost analysis and budgeting, turnover analysis, and the training and development, training effectiveness, career matching, and also the compensation administration, compensation effectiveness and equity analysis, benefit preference analysis. And if we see the strategic system layer, here staffing is human resource planning, labor force tracking, and within the tracking and development, succession planning, performance appraisal planning, and with the compensation administration, control cost, salary forecast, think about it. So it should the human resource information system support of the three stages: strategic system layer, practical, and operational. Human resource management and the internet. So the internet has become a major force of change and human resource management. And now it is online human resource system. Here is the, you see the, all are the online, everything, total database within the system. So human resource and corporate internet. So here how help the internet for the human resource management. So this is the internet base or EHRM, all within the system. Accounting information system, we know it is the oldest and information system in the business. They record the proper business transaction and other economic value. So here, accounting information system, we know our revenue, expense, conversion, administrative expense, etc. All logically we record it. And the computer-based accounting system, nowadays all within the computer-based accounting system is the record, report and flow of the fund through the organization on the historical basis and produce the important financial statements such as balance sheet, our financial statement also. Such system also produce the forecast of future conditions such as projected financial statement and financial budget. That will help for taking the also loan from the financial institute. And computerized accounting system have replaced manual system in many organizations nowadays. So here, if we see here, the all processes in the data input process within the system and output is here. So operational accounting system emphasize legal and historical record keeping pursued financial statement, accurate financial statement. Typically, this system include transaction processing system, order processing, inventory control, accounts receivable management, and general ledger system, all within the system. Nowadays, management accounting system also help for taking decision the management for taking that good analysis and that forecast for planning and control for the business operation for the future. And if you see a summary of 6 essential accounting information system used in business. Number 1, order processing. Then 2, inventory control. 3, account receivable. 4, accounts payable. 5, payroll. 6, general ledger. That item, 6 item, that influence or essential for accounting information system within the business, because order processing that capture the process customer order and produce the data to inventory control and account receivable. And inventory control is a vital part because process data influence change the inventory and provide the shipping and record the information. And accounts receivable record the, that means all the customer, produce the customer invoice, monthly customer statement, and credit management. Accounts payable also the amount that have to pay to the that means creditors, that means suppliers, and produce the cash management report. And payroll that for the employees and compensation data, all within that system. And general ledger, other than that, have to use that. An online accounting system, that accounting information system are being transformed in the internet technology. Nowadays, different types of accounting software within the cloud, and we can use it through nominal fee also. And online accounting system that's particularly applied for the system in order processing, inventory control, accounts receivable, accounts payable management. This is the flow chart of your online accounting system. It's taken from your reference book. The important accounting information system for transaction processing and financial reporting. Now we are related to each other. Here is a sale order processing, billing, sale that goes to the accounts receivable, cash received, and purchase inventory. That general ledger influence for the payroll tracking, payroll transaction process, and also help with the general ledger processing. That help for that is prepare the financial statement or financial reporting also. And also we know there are in the financial statement, we know is as per IFRS 1 para 10, there are 5 components of financial statement that helps to that record to help for keeping or compliance of CIFRS. And computer-based financial statement system support business managers and process and professional decision concern, finance, business, etc. So these are the financial management system. Look here, sales management system, purchase management system, order management system, customer relationship management, inventory management system, supply chain management system, e-commerce solution, accounts management system, etc. include financial management system. Capital budgeting, we know it is the that means if you go for long-term investing, for your that is goes for the capital budgeting. Also, we have the different types of techniques for using capital budgeting, NPV, IRR, PI, etc. So, capital budgeting process involves evaluating the probability of the financial impact of proposed capital expenditure for the long term. And information system in finance, we are using cash management for what? Forecast and manage cash position. And investment management, manage short-term and other securities. Capital budgeting, that evaluate risk return of capital expenditure. And financial planning, forecast financial performance and financial needs. So financial analysis also typically the electronic spreadsheet financing planning. Also, we can use it through the software. It helps for determining and taking the good decision to the management. So financial analysts use financial forecast, concern with the economic situation, business operation, types of financing availability, interest rate, stock, bond price, development, option, etc. And web-based group, executive support system, decision support system, knowledge workstation, etc. We are using transaction processing system using generally. The 6 function area of business management involve strategy, marketing, finance, human resource, technology and equipment, and operation. Therefore, all business plan should concern on research and therefore the understand the related to the individual business. So there is a video link. So let's summarize the chapter. Then we'll go for MCQ. So here we have discussed functional business system, and we have seen the functional business system is a variety type of information system that support business function for achieving common goal of the organization through interrelated accounting, finance, marketing, operation, human resources all function within a system. And functional business system, we have seen the information system in business for develop the product development, globalization, and automation, etc. And we have seen the business function is here. The marketing information system include internal record, marketing intelligence, marketing research, marketing decision support to help to the organization for achieving their specific goal. And marketing information system here said that they are interactive marketing, sales for automation, market research forecast, advertising and promotion, customer relationship management, and product management, sales management with the indirect marketing. And we have seen here the target marketing. That target marketing is there are different steps that target to the community and target to the content, target to the context and demographic area, online behavior using that achieve the goal of the organization. And also we have said the sale forecast automation and manufacturing information system. We have seen the computer integrated manufacturing here. Based on that, using this, it is a simplified, automated, integrated. We have seen the computer aided manufacturing. We have seen the manufacturing execution system and process control, and there are different process monitoring, open loop process and closed loop process. And we have seen the machine control, human resource management, and human resource information system HRIM, the cycle of HRIM, and also human resource information system support three strategic, theoretical, and operational use of human resource within the organization. We have seen the HRM on the internet, and we have seen here, not discussed, but here is the EHRM, all within the system, HR acquisition, recruitment, selection, integrated with the workflow. We have the eLearning system also, job placement, new recruitment, successor planning, HR communication, information delivery, research and control, and develop the human resource, that cost management also, salary management, payroll management, accounting information system. We have seen the management accounting, and also we have seen the 6 essential accounting information system in operation process, inventory, account receivable, payable, payroll, general ledger, and online accounting system, financial management system. Also, we have seen. So this is all for this chapter. Now, based on that chapter 3, 2 item, here we have summarized few MCQ. Lastly, we have discussed 125. Now from 126. So it's all for today. We'll see you inshallah next week. আল্লাহ হাফেজ। আপনারা ভালো থাকবেন, দেখা হবে
স্যার,
ইনশাল্লাহ।
জি
আর
স্যার,
এটা
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।